Sharks, let me ask you a question. How many of you have ever been to Nebraska? Right? Maybe all four of you have, but let me ask you another. How many of you have ever experienced Caribbean cuisine in Nebraska? Probably none of you, and that's because it is a rarity in that part of the United States. You usually see Caribbean cuisine in southern states such as Florida, and that's where I come in. My name is Justin Barnes, and I'm the founder and owner of Scratch House Caribbean Cuisine, a Caribbean cuisine restaurant located in Omaha, Nebraska. One of the competitive advantages that we can boast about are our homemade signature dishes. We can guarantee our customers that every single day we prepare our food fresh, day in and day out, so they never have to worry about frozen food or food that is left over from the next day. That's one thing we can boast about. Our second competitive advantage is that we're one of two Caribbean cuisines in the entire state. With that being said, there's a substantial opportunity to, overtake that Caribbean cuisine market and be the number one, not only in the city of Omaha and serve the city of Omaha, but the entire state of Nebraska. One thing we pride ourselves on is giving back to the community. And we can give back to the community when we have more customers and more sales and we grow some more numbers. Another positive competitive advantage that we can boast about is our location. We are located right off of South 132nd Street, an area that is very vibrant. We're subject to about 65,000 cars that come through there daily. And our proximity to Oakview Mall and West Rose Mall, along with the surrounding communities of Millard and Elkhorn, make us a very attractive site. One thing about us, we aren't targeting a specific audience. We want everyone to come and experience a culture that they've probably never seen before or ever even heard about. So we're not. One thing I can say is the business leaders of Omaha, according to statistics, Americans are actually spending about $2,000 on lunch per year. With that being said, there's opportunity to make money off of the business leaders that are choosing to not pack lunch and go out and eat with their colleagues. So if we had this target a specific audience, they would be as well, along with families and college students of Omaha. We range at about $8 to $15 per plate, so all of our food options are available to most customers. Expected revenue, as far as that, we grossed about $21,000 in sales our first year, and that was substantially low, but taking into consideration that we had to spend a lot on our startup fees. Next year, we're expected to gross about $65,000 in sales, and that's with more advertising and more exposure to our communities of not only Omaha but Lincoln, Nebraska as well, which is only about an hour away. We specialize in Caribbean cuisine, and our main dish, our signature dish, most popular, is our beef oxtails. A lot of people don't get to experience that type of food, and so we are looking to bring that cuisine and expand in the Nebraska area and into Missouri as well, Kansas City. We are seeking $250,000 for a 35% market share of our company in hopes of expanding and increasing our production methods as well. So Sharks, if you're with us, I'd love to have you guys come along and join our company and help Omaha experience a new taste and culture without taking yourself there. Thank you.